Hi everyone, I am John Lloyd Calderon from the 11th STEM Queen of Angels. So I'm here to help you how to solve normal probability distribution. So our problem here is the length of life of an instrument produced by a machine has a normal distribution with a mean of 12 months and a standard deviation of 2 months. So we're gonna find the probability that an instrument produced by this machine will last less than 7 months. So, ang formula po natin dito is ito. Z is equals to X minus the mean over the standard deviation. So, ang ating X dito is ang 7, which is yung hinahanap po natin na probability. So, and our mean is 12 over the standard deviation of 2 months. So, kapag sinolve po natin siya, 7 minus 12 is equals to negative 5. Over 2, ikakopy lang natin siya. Magiging sagot po natin, kapag dinivide po natin siya is negative 2.5. Po, negative. So, hahanapin na po natin yung negative 2.5 dito sa ating z-table. So, ito po siya, negative 2.5. So, negative 2.5 lang po siya, ito po. So, ang ating probability is 0.0062. So, I therefore conclude that the probability of that an instrument produced by this machine will last less than 7 months is 0.0062. So, i-graph na po natin siya. Hanapin lang po natin dito sa ating graph yung 2.5. So, ang 2.5 po is nandito sa gitna ng negative 2 at negative 3. Magdo-draw po tayo ng broken lines and then isi-shade po natin ito. Yan po. So, that's our graph. So, I hope that you learned a lesson from this topic. Thank you.